Hi there, my name is Perlin. I'm an HR manager in my company, and today I would like to review the work that our managers have been doing in MyQ7 Leader to see where our progress is. So here I have the whole company. I don't have any filters applied, but if I would like to specifically focus on one department, I can go to select filters, find the departments filter, and in here I can select, for example, the marketing department. And here I have all the employees that are in the marketing department. Later, I can add some more columns to have some more context on the current population. So I can go to this little button here, and I can add any columns I like. So I can add last update date, create date, areas of development, areas of strength. I can add the manager or the department or role title if I want. So I can add any extra columns that I'm interested in. So to verify the progress that our managers have made, here I have the last update date and the create date. The create date indicates when this TeamScan has been created. Obviously, this is the last TeamScan per team member. So Autumn might have some historical TeamScans, but this is the one that was last created. So here I can see that the TeamScan was created on the 11th of July 2024, and it was edited on the 22nd of August 2024. In the meantime, if a talent review has been organized where Autumn has been reviewed, then I know that this TeamScan has been validated by the manager. I can also view some extra information here, like areas of development and areas of strength. These are basically summaries of the percentages of area of strength and area of development from the development scan. So you can also see whether the manager has done the development scan or not. And I have some extra columns here for some additional context if necessary. I can, of course, also sort, for example, by manager, so I can view the groups sorted by manager. Additionally, I could also go to the notes section here, and I can view all the notes taken for my company. So I can add some additional filters and columns like I can in the TeamScan. So for example, I want to also see the types of notes, authors, and dates. So I can add some extra columns, always going on this little button here. And I can add some filters if I would like to see specifically notes per author, per team member, notes type, or notes in a specific date range. So for example, if I want to see all the notes type that are, for example, to-dos, I go to note type and I select to-do. And here I will see all the to-dos in my company. If multiple talent cycles have passed since we started implementing with MyQ7 Leader, I can also filter by a certain date range. So for example, I can filter between the 1st of January 2024 until today. In this case, it's just the 3 notes that have already been taken in this period. Otherwise, if you have multiple notes here, it will filter only the notes within this time range. I hope this is clear and helpful. Thank you for watching.